Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to earn yield on Yearn Finance by depositing DAI. So I'm on the Yearn front page right now. I'm going to hit the Go to Vaults button. Now here on the Vaults page, we see a variety of assets that you could deposit in order to earn yield and the corresponding current net APYs for each of these assets. So I'm specifically looking at the yield I can get on depositing DAI. So I'm going to hit Show here. Shows how much DAI I have available in my wallet to deposit, and I have to approve a transaction. So first, just need to put something in this box so I can start the approval process. So I'm going to hit Approve here. Now MetaMask is going to pop up, and I'm going to confirm that transaction. I just have to wait for that transaction to get confirmed by the network. Alright, now the transaction has gone through. Going to refresh the page here. And now we have the pop-up from Yearn giving the estimated gas cost for sending this deposit transaction. And we're going to hit confirm. Now we're waiting for that to go through. See the deposit transaction, and you can always check on that transaction by going to Etherscan. Sometimes it can take a little while for it to show up. Alright, now this transaction has gone through. You can now see that the vault balance is currently set to the 1 DAI, or however much you initially approve and deposit. You'll see that in your vault, and you'll be earning the current APY on that until you withdraw your funds here back to your wallet. That's all for now. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one.